Okay, this is Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. It's January 8th at 10:30. A little later than normal. We have open positions up above that are working. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to tally what our systems have done on these seven markets. Again, we find the number seven to be an ideal number, whether it be stocks or ETFs or futures. A lot of times, seven is an ideal number that you'll have one or two that don't work out so well. You'll have one or two that work out well, and you have one or two that stay the same. And it seems to be a really good number to manage. We're looking at the ES contract, the ES futures contract. This is on a case chart. Our intraday strategy that we call the green T for the forward T. It's just a money making strategy. And so for January 8th, from midnight of last night through now. Now tomorrow when we update, there may be another order or two between now and midnight. But as of now, this system has generated six trades, one half of them for a net of 150. So we come here and we put in 150, excuse me, and we put in 6 for the number of trades. This is how we keep our scorecard. If you want a copy of this scorecard, I'll send you one, whether you're a member or not. Members most definitely get them. But you want to get in the habit, and we're showing you how. I hope everyone does this, but you want to, when you're trading, even if you're intraday trading, you need to keep score. You need to take your time. You will learn. Once this is all filled out after a few days, we did last week, you can see last week's score. You get a flavor for how the strategy is performing real time versus the model, okay, or the back test, and then we can make adjustments from there, and if something changes, which something will change in time with any one of these markets, and it may be that we have to change the strategy. It may, we have to make some adjustments. Just like a football team. We got Alabama, and I don't think Alabama's out of this thing yet. I know they're writing them off. I don't think so. So, as I look over my shoulder, and he got sacked again. Oh, no, he didn't. Great run. Okay, so let's let's go to our next market, the NQ. The NQ didn't have such a great day, and she's also ordering quite a bit. So may have to make an adjustment here. I don't like to have that many orders. 16 orders. She only won 31%. What I'm interested in, though, is the net profit. So she actually lost 295 on 16 trades. So let's minus 295 on 16 trades. Okay, and I don't know why my cells are not calculating. I've done this spreadsheet a bunch of times. They should be totaling up down here, but we'll do it at the end. And in fact, I can actually show you how to do it too. So, but let's let's keep going. Let's keep moving. And we're going to come to the Russell. Okay, the Russell had 12 trades, 66% winners for 930. Well, that's more like it. I like that. 930 for 12. That's what we want. 930 for 12 trades. Beautiful. Okay, and then we're going to come to the gold market. And gold, 8 trades, half winners, 20 bucks. All right. So 8 trades for 20 bucks. Eight. And we come here. I'm going to go to oil. Oil, 3 trades. Got 2 of the 3 for 66, 460. 460 for 3. 460. 63 trades. That ain't so bad. Now let's go to copper. And copper was kind of mezza last week, so be curious how copper. Well, I kind of already know but you'll see. So copper is struggling. All right, so I'm going to have to make, but 8 trades didn't win much at all. 687.50 it lost for 8. So minus 687.50 for 8. And the last market is the euro. And the euro did 6 trades, only got 2 of them. 591.25 though. 591.25. How many of them? 581. I'm sorry, for 6. 581 for 6. So come here. 81 for 6. Okay, now these should total for me. So the way you do this, if you have a spreadsheet at home, we built this ourselves. You can dress that up. So what you do is just come here, click there, hit auto sum, and then hit here, and then hold the alt and then hit enter. There's our total for the day. And that's just exactly what we did, actually. Right. Give or take a couple of bucks. Oops. Now I want to add up the number of trades. So we come here, then I push alt, then click on the cell that I want it to auto sum. So you get to learn how to do all kinds of things here. We're all about teaching. There we go. 59 trades since midnight. Okay. Only for copper. Now, one of the things that I know from last week is the strategy seems to be struggling with copper. And it's giving me a few too many trades with the NQ. So I'll go another day or two. Well, when we do this tomorrow night, I may have to update this a little bit for anything that closes tonight. As you know, I got open positions on. So, but we work midnight to midnight, and I have a helper, namely my wife, and we work split shifts. We work. Okay, money never sleeps. All right. So, in any case, it's a good life. It's what we want to do. We've done other things, but we enjoy this, and we're together. Okay. So now I want to. Well, you know what? We can do the auto sum across. Well, actually, no. Let's do it now because it should be totaling. So we come here, and then what you do is you just click here, then Alt, and then hit Enter. That gives us the 50. So they'll all add up. I don't know why it's deleting my math behind this. When I clear the contents, I've done this before. So then we click here, and then hit Enter. And then we click here in this cell, Auto Sum, and Alt. I'm pressing Alt, and then Enter, and Auto Sum. Hit this one. I'm not pressing Alt here. I am here. The first one you don't. And then Enter. So I click here. I'm not pressing Alt. Auto Sum. I'm not pressing Alt. I am now. Like so. And then Enter. So it's going to add this all up for us automatically for the rest of the week. And why not show you guys how to do this? You can build your own. And you have time during the day, you're trading, you want to keep track. Right? Okay, and I tell you what, so you get the idea. I gotta go back and through and do the others, um, but they should total up the same here. So we'll do this one just to make sure. We'll go up the other way, and we hit this one. Okay, there we go. So they balance. Now I got to go back across and get the trades, and I'll get in here. So at the end of the week, we're going to have a beautiful legend. We're going to run these 7 systems. Last week, 3 days, we did about 8,500 bucks. That works. Not every day, okay? Not necessarily every week, all right? But we're here. And so we do this, we're doing this to show you that automated trading can and does work. Garbage in, though, garbage out. And we do share these indicators and these strategies with our intraday trading group. And if they're on TradeStation, they can run the same systems. All right. I wish everyone the best. We'll see you tomorrow night.